Wow, what a beautiful day! Perfect weather to harvest corn.
Harvest, harvest, golden corn. Harvest, harvest, all morn long. What a beautiful harvest! Look at all that golden corn!
Look how much corn I've harvested. I'll take it to the market today. Almost ready for the market. This corn will be a hit.
Doody-doo, market bound.
Here we are. Time to sell this golden goodness.
Freshly harvested this morning. Best corn in the market. Wonderful. I'll take 3. Another successful morning. Time for a well-deserved break.
Look there, a red tractor loaded with corn. If I can get it, I'll be feasting for a week. Look at all that lovely corn. It's practically begging to be taken.
The sun is shining bright today, and this water feels so nice and cool.
Huh? What is it? Where's my tractor? Oh no! All my corn too!
Oh no, the bucket is empty. What am I going to do now?
Oh no! I must call Officer Elephant.
Finally, I got through. Listen carefully. We have a major problem down at the South Field. Send help immediately. It's urgent.
Officer Elephant! Someone stole my tractor and corn! They took everything! Please, you have to help!
Hello? Officer Elephant speaking.
Right. I understand the situation. We'll be there shortly. Just remain calm. Calm down, little monkey. I'll be right there.
Stay at the scene. Don't touch anything.
I understand the urgency. We are approaching the location now.
All right, monkey. Tell me what happened.
Any leads, Chief?
fresh tracks here.
And wolf paw prints. Here it is. The tire tracks lead towards the pine forest.
Hurry up, Chief. The thief surely hasn't gone far.
Get in the car. We're going after him. Stop right now! You are breaking the law! Never! Oh no! I'm done for! Mr. Wolf, you are under arrest for stealing farm property. Thank you so much, Officer Elephant.
Thank you so much, Officer Elephant.
You truly are the hero of our farm! It's nothing. It's a police officer's duty to protect everyone. Time to get this corn to market. Almost there. What a lively place! Fresh corn for everyone! Now I can buy lots of delicious food. What a perfect way to end the day. Finally, a good meal.
Delicious roasted corn.
And for dessert, a perfect banana.
Today's lesson: always be careful and remember to thank those who help you.
The end.